Hi everyone! So let me welcome you to the French Beginner Business Course A1. So I've just logged in into my course and this is what I see, bookmarking. Would you like to continue where you left off? Yes. Okay, so let me just make this a bit bigger. Okay, so that's where I was last time. I was doing this lesson, and as you can see from the bar on top, I've nearly completed the lesson. Okay, now I want to go back to the main menu. I just click on the go back arrow once and then twice to go back, and then another time to go back to the front page. Okay, so this is my front page, and these are the different sections. How this platform works, lessons, grammar, literature, music, and videos. Okay, so let's see how this platform works. I've explained how it works and I've given you a little matching exercise. It's just about the French instruction because all the instructions are in French, so it's important to know what they mean. So for example, they ask me to choose an answer. You selected your answer. What do you click now to submit? Okay. I'm going to click on Envoyer. Okay. I'm going just to do this at random now. I'm not really trying to put the right answer. It's just to show you what happens. I'm going to choose something for everything. All right. So now I click on Envoyer. So now it's telling me that it's nearly correct. And I can start again. I can click on Recommencer because basically I have to attempt each time. It tells me here I've got only one attempt left. Okay, so I am going to start again. Okay, so let's do this again. I'm going to select what I think is right. I'm doing this at random, but you're supposed to be doing this properly. Okay, so let's click again on Envoyer. Oh, I've missed one. So there is one which I haven't answered. That's why it's in red here. Okay, so click again on Envoyer. Oh, so this time, yes, it's still not correct. So what happens? Well, it's not correct, so it's showing me what I didn't get correct. So basically, all of them are wrong. Now, montrer les bonnes réponses, show me what is right. And here I've got the right answer for everything. All right, so now to go back, let's go back with the arrow. Let's have a look at a lesson. Okay, so you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. And in each unit we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 lessons. Now you can see that those lessons are there and that one will be ready on the 10th of June 2019. So you have the date every time when the next lesson is coming. Okay, so let's start the first lesson. First of all, you have the goals, very important. Now the goals, you can listen to them.
Bonjour les amis et bienvenue à...
And you can adjust as well as the sound here. Now you have a listening here. You have a fill in the gap writing exercise after the listening that you can do well with help. You can have the missing words here randomly. When you finish doing the exercise, you have the correction. What else do we have? Vocabulary. Here you have a statement which you think are right. All right, so this wasn't quite correct. Let's try again. Oh, great. So I got this correct. So it says bravo. And it shows me here that everything is actually correct. Montrer les commentaires is just that I can see the feedback again. To enter the right answer, this is grammatical exercise. Okay, so that was correct. Great. Now what about if I enter the wrong answer here? Oh, not quite right. Okay, I can try again. I'll try again. Recommencer. Okay, this is still not right. Okay, so I really need to see the right answer. This is the right answer. And les commentaires is the feedback. Well, the feedback was it wasn't correct. Okay, so these are the lesson. Now I'm using Quizlet for all the vocabulary. I'll show you how it works later. So it's a mixture of reading, writing, speaking, exercise. This is a little word art where I have to find the different things. Here again, it's very interactive the whole time. So I have to read, then I have to find the right answer, then I get feedback every time. Listen and repeat, okay? Learn the greeting. Again, I'm learning the vocab in Quizlet and I review the objective. Let's see what else do we have. For example, let's go into the nationality one. So every time it just takes a little while to load. That's it. So objectives, different exercises. What else do I have now? Matching exercises. Oh, so now I've got a little hotspot graph. So here I have the different flags of the country. So let me just click on a flag and it tells me which one it is in French. So that's something a bit different. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, la Norvège. Okay, so that's a different type of exercise, and every time I have Quizlet. So this is my lesson. My lesson is basically structured for my objective at the top here. I've got all my objectives, so everything is chunked to meet every single objective. And then by the end of the lesson here, I'm reviewing my objective. Have I met those objectives? The lesson is built so that the objective at the end are reached for every lesson. So this is the base of the course. Now let's see what else do we have. Let me go back to the main menu. We have the grammar part. So the grammar part, top 24 French verbs. This is the Nail the French conjugation table. There will be more verbs being added soon. There will be the 80 verb table. So here is the conjugation in French explained. I'm explaining how this table works. Again, explanation, explanation, explanation. And here we are, regular verbs, present, past, future, conditional. It's all color-coded so that in one glance you can have the full table of conjugation in French. Top 24 verbs. Basically, if you master these 24 verbs, you're doing very well. Let's see literature. So literature, here I've got Arthur Rimbaud. Of course, there will be more. Every week or so, there will be some more added. So this is a poem by Arthur Rimbaud. So first I'm explaining who he is. Then I have a fill in the gap exercise. I'm giving you the words randomly. And you get all sorts of help to be able to do the exercise. So if you want to see the missing word, if you want to see the translation, if you want to see the correction, and then you want to learn the vocabulary again, and then of course you can listen to it. Now let's see what else do we have. We have the music section, okay. So here we'll have a selection of artists. Let's try Luan. So Luan, she's a French artist, okay. Si t'étais là. So this is the transcript in French and you have the fill in the gap exercise, okay. Now I want to listen to the clip, okay. So let me wait until that loads properly. Great, so I just click on Luan's lovely face and this is the clip that I can watch. This is actually from YouTube. Okay, so I can watch the clip and then I have all these help to be able to do the exercise, including I can learn the new vocabulary. Okay, so the last section is the videos. So they will. So this is the Belgian singer Gaëtan Strel who has given us an interview exclusively, and every time we've asked him a question. So this is the exercise that you have to do. Here you have to select the right answer. Here you have to select the right word. So it's all from the video. Here you have the transcript, the translation, and the new vocabulary as well. So to launch a video, I simply click on the picture.
Qu'est-ce qu'un bon ami?
And then I have the video.
Un bon ami, c'est quelqu'un avec qui on aime passer du temps.
Okay, so that's basically the course. So this will be full. There will be loads and loads of different things added every week. This is what gives you your subscription. It's an ongoing thing with new things the whole time. All right. So let me just show you now Quizlet. Now, all right. So let's just go back to the video, maybe. And I just want to learn the new vocabulary. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the link there. Now it goes back to a new page, okay? Qu'est-ce qu'un bon ami? What is a good friend? So here I am in Quizlet. So if you are not familiar with Quizlet, this is just a flashcard. So you have different selection. You can learn, write, dictate, test. You can do all sorts of things, okay? So I want to learn with a flashcard. So passer du temps avec is to spend time with, okay? So I can have plein écran. Let's try that. Full screen. Yes. Okay, so I've got my card and I can also
Passer du temps avec.
have the sound here, okay? So now I can learn with the flashcard.
To rely on. To give a hand. Rendre service.
I can also do the learn things, which allows me to basically learn the vocabulary. So selfish is egoist. Wow, well done. And I carry on. And this enables me to learn basically the whole vocabulary. You have options as well. You can say how you want to answer French, English, and so on. So basically, every single piece of vocabulary from the course is there. This is really to help you learn vocabulary in a nice and fun way. So now I just go back to where my course was. And this is my course. You can see I've done a little bit of that. So thank you very much for listening to me. And I hope you try it out and really enjoy it. Thank you. Bye-bye.